An international securities identification number uniquely identifies a security. Its structure is defined in ISO 6166. Securities for which ISINs are issued include bonds, commercial paper, stocks and warrants. The ISIN code is a 12-character alpha-numerical code that does not contain information characterizing financial instruments but serves for uniform identification of a security at trading and settlement. Securities to which ISINs can be issued include debt securities, shares, options, derivatives and futures. The ISIN identifies the security, not the exchange on which it trades. It is not a ticker symbol. For instance, Daimler AG stock trades through almost 30 trading platforms and exchanges worldwide, and is priced in 5 different currencies. It has the same ISIN on each, though not the same ticker symbol. ISIN cannot specify a particular trading location in this case, and another identifier, typically MIC or the 3-letter exchange code, will have to be specified in addition to the ISIN. The currency of the trade will also be required to uniquely identify the instrument using this method. Description: An ISIN consists of 3 parts, generally, a 2-letter country code, a 9-character alphanumeric national security identifier, and a single check digit. The country code is the ISO 3166-1 alpha-2 code for the country of issue, which is not necessarily the country where the issuing company is domiciled. International securities cleared through Clearstream or Euroclear, which are worldwide, use XS as the country code. Issuance: The ISIN is based on the National Securities Identifying Number, or NSIN, assigned by governing bodies in each country, known as the National Numbering Agency. The NNAs are coordinated through the Association of National Numbering Agencies. ISIN and CFI information can be accessed through the ISIN organization, run by ISIN Organization PLLC and SIX Financial Information. The NSIN element of the ISIN can be up to 9 digits long. Shorter numbers are padded with leading zeros before the addition of the country code, and a check digit transform the NSIN to an ISIN. In North America, the NNA is the CUSIP organization, meaning that CUSIPs can easily be converted into ISINs by adding the US or CA country code to the beginning of the existing CUSIP code and adding an additional check digit at the end. In the United Kingdom and Ireland, the NNA is the London Stock Exchange and the NSIN is the SEDOL, converted in a similar fashion. Swiss ISINs are issued by SIX Financial Information and are based on the VALA number. Most other countries use similar conversions, but if no country NNA exists, then regional NNAs are used instead. ISIN calculation methodology: The procedure for calculating ISIN check digits is similar to the modulus 10 double technique used in CUSIPs. To calculate the check digit, first convert any letters to numbers by adding their ordinal position in the alphabet to 9, such that A equals 10 and M equals 22. Starting with the rightmost digit, every other digit is multiplied by 2. The resulting string of digits are added up. Subtract this sum from the smallest number ending with 0 that is greater than or equal to it. This gives the check digit, which is also known as the tens complement of the sum modulo 10. That is, the resulting sum, including the check digit, is a multiple of 10. ISINs are slowly being introduced worldwide. At present, trading, clearing and settlement systems in many countries have adopted ISINs as a secondary measure of identifying securities. Additionally, some of those countries, mainly in Europe, have moved to using ISINs as their primary means of identifying securities. Conversion table for characters is, in other words, take the ASCII code for the capital letter and subtract 55. Examples: Apple Incorporated. Apple Incorporated ISIN US 0378331005, expanded from CUSIP 0378331000. The main body of the ISIN is the original CUSIP, assigned in the 1970s. The country code US has been added on the front, and an additional check digit at the end. The country code indicates the country of issue. The check digit is calculated in this way. Convert any letters to numbers, U equals 30, S equals 28. USO 378331003 trillion 28,037,833,100. Collect odd and even characters, 3,028,037,833,100 equals, multiply the group containing the rightmost character by 2, 6, 4, 0, 14, 6, 2, 0, add up the individual digits, 6 plus 4 plus 0 plus 6 plus 2 plus 0, plus equals 45, take the tens modulus of the sum, 45 mod 10 equals 5, subtract from 10, 10 minus 5 equals 5, take the tens modulus of the result. 5 mod 10 equals 5, so the ISIN check digit is 5. Treasury Corporation of Victoria, Treasury Corporation Victoria 5.75% 2005 to 2016, ISIN AU0000XVGZA3, convert any letters to numbers, A equals 10, G equals 16, U equals 30, V equals 31, X equals 33, Z equals 35. AU0000XVGZA103000033311633510. Collect odd and even characters, 103000033311633510 equals, multiply the group containing the rightmost character by 2, 0, 0, 0, 0, 6, 2, 12, 10, 0, add up the individual digits, 1 plus 3 plus 0 plus 0 plus 3 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3 plus 1, plus 0, equals 27, take the tens modulus of the sum, 27 mod 10 equals 7, subtract from 10, 10 minus 7 equals 3, take the tens modulus of the result. 3 mod 10 equals 3, so the ISIN check digit is 3. BAE Systems, ISIN GB0002634946, expanded from SEDOL 02634944, the main body is the SEDOL, padded on the front with the addition of 2 zeros. The country code GB is then added on the front, and the check digit on the end as in the example above. External links, ISIN.org database, JavaScript code for ISIN validation, references, http, www.anaweb.org, http, www.isin.org.